so this is the materials you will need. This is a placemat from Dollar Tree. It says it's good to be home. Some it's like these, what are they called? They're from Dollar Tree. Lilacs. I just got one bundle. We'll see if that works. Some burlap I already had, but it's from Dollar Tree. And then I got this from Goodwill. I really feel like this was incredibly overpriced. I paid like 14 and some change for it. Would not have gotten it if it wasn't, I was already at the register. But it's a wood frame. But we're going to be basically placing this here and making like some cute wall decor. You'll need a hot glue gun and some paint. Now, I wanted to do this a lot cheaper since it's a very simple DIY. So I feel like if you went to a yard sale, or maybe your Goodwill sells this cheaper, like the paintings cheaper, you could even get a smaller one and end up maybe with a better price. But that was way overpriced in my opinion. I feel like you could get a good size one like that for $5-6, maybe even cheaper from a yard sale. So now I've just sanded it down a bit. Girl, quit playing with that. And you're just gonna wipe the edges with a wet rag and then a dry rag just to kind of get off the dust. Paint mine white, so that's just the next step. Gonna get a good coat on there, all the way around just the so this is after one coat. The sides are painted as well. I'm definitely going to do a second coat and then distress it after that, because this is a little too distressed looking. Doesn't matter that it's touching the paint, the canvas, because we're going to be covering that. I got this idea, I just wanted to put that out there. I got this idea because I had seen a placemat that looked like a chalkboard and it said blessed at Dollar Tree, and I put it back. I should have not put it back because I was like, I'll just come back and get it and then I'll do this DIY later. But I thought it would be such a cute mounted piece on a framed background like this with like a little farmhouse wreath. Put it back, excuse me. I went back and could not find it for the life of me, so I found this one. It matches my gray walls and stuff, so I settled for this one. But I do still believe the blessed one would look so much better. It was super cute, so if you get lucky enough to find it, use that one because it's awesome. But this one works too. I'm gonna let it dry because we're gonna glue down the burlap around the edges, so when I go in on that second coat, I don't want to get it on the burlap, so we're gonna let it dry. This here kind of to get a feel on how much burlap I need on the sides. I think one strand should do it. So we're gonna try one strand along each edge, and we're just gonna hot glue them down. This is what it looks like once it is glued down. The burlap is glued down. So now we're just gonna add the placemat on top just by gluing it down as well. So I've just glued down the placemat. Looks good so far. Next I'm gonna add these pretty little flowers, the lilacs. I believe I'm going to add them there at the bottom, kind of covering those flowers. Yeah, that's like what I'm gonna do. I glued down the flowers. I just cut about 2 inches underneath the leaves. I had this one left over. I did 2 on each side, glued in the middle, and I'm actually going to add a little burlap bow in the center because it looks kind of weird like that. So this is just the dangly part, or the ribbon part of the bow. I made the bow separate. It's really easy, and I'm going to glue it on top. And I just glued those down. You may actually want to get 2 of the burlap ribbons because you're going to have to go all the way around, and then the bow. But you don't have to do the bow. You could even buy something at Dollar Tree to put in the center, but I like the bow and how it looks, so you may need two for that. Just the edges a little bit. I just took a little sandpaper, and that's the finished product, guys. So this is the finished product. My husband made this little haul table for me, and I thought it looked so cute right there. I still don't know what to put down there. If you have any suggestions, leave a comment. It is kind of shiny, so I may Mod Podge over the shininess to make it a little more matte. But for now, I do have my flash on, so. But for now, I love it. I love it being at the end of the hall like this. But yeah, seriously. And ignore the faux wood paneling. It's going to be painted. But yeah, comments, please, on what to put in the center. I was thinking like a cute little basket and like a tall plant, maybe. No.
If you try this DIY, please leave comments and pictures down below. Let me know how you liked it. And thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, guys.